what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to help you fix problem navigation tab not showing in your Shopify online store. So if you head over to admin.shopify.com, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And in the left side panel, as you can see, if we click the online store, we cannot see the navigation tab. But that is because navigation tab has been changed into menus. And for you to access menus, which is the new navigation tab, all you have to do is click on content, and under the content section, you should be able to see menus. And from here, you can access the main menu, footer menu, and even customer account main menu. And you can even create a new menu here. By clicking on that button, you can add a name, and you can also add menu item, label, and link. And once you're done, you can always just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!